How to fix Facebook can't log in. In this video, I will share with you guys how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook. Now scroll down and click on storage. On storage, click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop, click OK again, and now go to battery, and you have to click on optimize it, and after this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.